We're Randolph-Macon in Ashland, Virginia, and today's a good day to show you everything. Wait, everything? Okay, that was the fountain, this is a jazz session at Han rehearsal, and this is our nursing skills lab. Oh, come on, this is going way too fast. Small town living, close to big cities, tons of sports and championships. Oh yeah, esports too. There's Miss Connie's goated omelets. Professors, they always have time for you. Thousands of internships, a beautiful campus. Wait, horses? We got horses? Okay, that's it. Can't do it. Slow it down. Thank you. At RMC, our mantra is up close, future ready. The up close part means you'll be hands-on, in the thick of things, learning and doing, with professors, mentors, coaches, and advisors right next to you along the way. It's a campus-wide commitment to your success. And future ready, well, you know what that means. Students here are 5 times more likely to land an internship than the national average. It's more than that though. Here at RMC, we learn how to think on our feet, ask the right questions, and problem solve. So once we land that job after graduation, we're ready to rise up the ranks, and fast. Which is good, because who knows what's next, or where's next for that matter. Whatever the future holds, Randolph-Macon grads will be ready. Okay, so how can we wrap this up? Well, we're one of the friendliest schools in the nation. Literally, like nationally ranked and everything. We can't wait to meet you. Check us out at rmc.edu.